How do you opt out of Meta using your data to train its AI? Well, I've been asked by a few people how to do this because they received a message or they've missed a message giving them the option to opt out, and they'd like to be able to do it. It's really simple, as all things are with Instagram. Go to your profile page and click on the top right, the 3 lines, the hamburger sign. Once you're in there, scroll all the way down to the option that says Privacy Center. Once you get into the Privacy Center, you see lots and lots of writing all about Meta's use of AI and how it might help use your data to train its AI. In the middle of all that bump, you'll see there's a word that says object, and it's in blue. Click on the word object in blue and it takes you to the next page. That then gives you a bit more detail about use of your data and AI, etc. Scroll to the bottom of that page and fill in your email address where it says email required. And you can also fill in a bit of information about why you would like Meta to not use your data to train its AI. Now, as it says at the bottom, there may also be circumstances where your information is used for its AI, but that's outside of yours and their control. But once you've clicked that, then away you go, and your data shouldn't be used for training Meta's AI, and that's it, you're done. I've challenged myself to try to create and post 7 YouTube videos listing a number of tips and Instagram settings, which I hope will help you become more engaged with your social media in Instagram. If you want to follow along, you might want to click the subscribe button, and in particular the notification bell, and then you'll be notified when I post my next video, which hopefully will be tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.